that? Okay, Bobbi boss. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's B Nicole and I'm here with a wig review. Not only is this a wig review, but it is a synthetic lace wig, y'all. Yes, I bet I fooled y'all in that thumbnail. I know I did. Because this is synthetic. It's by bobbiboss. I know y'all have been seeing it. You know, bobbiboss have these synthetic wigs. And y'all, you know, I just wanted to see for myself. Because I am a wig person. I do sell wigs myself. So I just wanted to get, you know, just get a wig. See, can somebody really pay $54? I think it was like $54 to get a wig and it look like this. Like a $300 wig. And it might not last as long, or the lace, you know, you'll see in the video of the pros and cons, but y'all, I'm shocked. Like, I am really shocked. So I am gonna have where I got this wig from in the description box, everything from the price, about the wig, also explaining the wig in this video. But I mean, look at this, y'all. Like, I'm just combing my hands right through it. The curls are bouncing back. Y'all know I love my curls to bounce back. You know, and I just, you know, hey, can't go wrong. $54 and look like this. bobbiboss, you did your thing on this wig. You really did. So I hope you all like this video. Make sure you thumbs it up so I can give y'all more videos like this. Also, comment down below if you have any questions, and also subscribe, y'all. Yeah, I am feeling this wig. Like, I'm really, I am feeling it. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. So I ain't gonna run because I don't want to be too long. So I will see y'all on my next one. Bye. All right, so the bobbiboss Glueless lace wig. So this is the box that it came in. Obviously, I got the number 2, and their name is Alivia. And it says bobbiboss Glueless lace parting, additional elastic band in the back. It says it has the baby hairs, all that. So this is the box that it came in, and it's a 13 by 7. So I'm gonna open it up. Just like this. Okay. And the lace, as you can see, is definitely brown, but when I put my skin up to it, as you can see, it looks like it'll match. And you can see the knots are not that bad on here. Please do not try to go bleach these knots, because this is not that type of wig, sis. It's not, okay? So don't do that. Because it's not gonna do nothing. I'm pretty sure it's not. So it already have layers in it and everything. So this is where I decided to just do a voiceover. I am just, you know, putting some makeup on my cap so it can blend under the wig. And then just put it on my canvas head. But I'm lied. I am about to put it on my head just to see how it fit before I do customize it. So right here, y'all can see that the lace was very dark. But I'm going to make it work. And then do y'all see those baby hairs? Baby. We're going to fix that, okay? But check out that part. That part goes all the way back, y'all. I'm loving how the part is very long. So yeah, right here, I'm just about to customize. I decided to just put it on my canvas head and customize the wig. And I'm going to do the part down the middle. I am tweezing some of the baby hairs out. So when you do this, you want to make sure you're like kind of like pulling, but don't pull too hard because you can rip the lace. I tried to show y'all, but I'm sorry, I really didn't get a good angle. But I am like just kind of like pulling it, if that makes sense. But you just have to be careful with that. And then you want to just take like a little eyebrow arch or razor and just cut the baby hairs. I don't like using scissors because I don't want my baby hairs to have like a straight line. But I use that so it can look better. Now I'm just putting that same makeup I used on my stocking cap right under the lace. I just made sure I tried to go with a shade that matched exactly like my skin tone because the lace was dark, so as y'all can see. And right here, I'm just showing you that the straps was adjustable. And then I'm just gonna show you, just put the elastic band around and then just flip the wig over. And then just adjust it on your head. And then right here, I'm just about to cut the lace. Instead of using scissors, I used the little razor because you do not want a straight line at all. You do not want to see where the lace, it's just ugly, y'all. You don't want a straight line. Do not cut the lace straight across. Like, it's hard for me to explain it, but I mean, hey, do not cut it straight across, so don't use no scissors. Baby, I was just running my mouth. I'm happy I did decide to do a voiceover because y'all probably gonna be tired of me talking, for real. So I am just pouring it down the middle. I'm using the spritz to kind of set the part. You can use foam and then just sit on the dryer, but I really didn't, you know, feel like it. So I just used my spritz to just lay down the flyaways, making sure the part is straight. And then I'm just gonna add that makeup again to make the part a little more precise. Combing this wig, I really didn't receive any tangling or no shedding. Like, the hair texture on this wig was just like, you know, like some pack hair. It was very good and very bouncy and flowy, so I would give that a A+ on the texture of the hair. And to lay my baby hairs, I just used the Got To Be gel in the yellow bottle because it holds a lot longer and it's not as messy as the clear, you know, in my opinion. And it will hold all day. So, you know, this is a glueless. So if you add the little baby hairs, it will, you know, hold your wig better. And see, me combing this out, it might look like I'm rough, but it's not. And it all, like, oh my God. And it already have layers in it, y'all. Like, you ain't gotta worry about none of that. Like, look at that. Okay, Bobbi Boss. And how I did that, let me tell you, everybody always asks me, what you want to do, you want to comb it out. And you want to comb away from your face. Away from your face. And when you comb away from your face, you just want to push up and comb through your hands. Just like that. See what I'm saying? Now, this is not bad, y'all. Like, I am shocked. And what's so crazy about it, though, I used to love Bobbi Boss. When back in the day, getting those sew-ins, when we first started, it used to be Janet and baby. We couldn't even afford Bobbi Boss. We couldn't even afford Bobbi Boss. So, man, Now Bobbi Boss coming. It's coming. It's coming. So right here, I'm just playing in it. As y'all can see, this wig is bomb, y'all. Like, for real. For $54, it is bomb. Right here, I'm just, you know, flattening at the top with my curlers. You can add a little heat to it, but not too much, because, come on. Remember, it's synthetic. So I really hope y'all love this wig review. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you want to see more of reviews on my channel. Also like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Bye y'all.